Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you the perfect pico de gallo for your shrimp tacos and your fish tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start first with my green cabbage. Yes, take your time when you're slicing away the cabbage. You want to make sure that all the cabbage is sliced nice and thin. You really want the cabbage to be really nice and thin so it will absorb the lemon, pepper, garlic, and salt. So you want to make sure that you're cutting your cabbage nice and thin. Once this is done, cut it through the center and then you're ready to put it in a bowl. Look at this. I know, my friends, this is what takes much longer, but at the end, it's going to be worth it. So take your time when you're slicing your purple cabbage. Slice it nice and thin. The reason that we do it nice and thin, it'll really absorb the rest of the flavors of the ingredients that you add into your bowl. Look at this. Well, I'm going to continue slicing away this purple cabbage. Of course, taking my time and slicing away. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead, cut it through the center, and then put it in a bowl. I want to continue with my carrot. I'm taking the edges off of the carrot, and of course, I'm going to take the skin. I'm going to remove the skin. Take the skin off completely, and then you're ready to grate your carrot. The carrot is going to really give it such a delicious flavor, and of course is going to absorb the flavor of the lemon when you add it in there. So I'm going to continue. Look at this. Look at the little pieces. The colors that go into this pico de gallo, just amazing, family. I am sure that once you make this pico de gallo, you're going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Of course, I'm using 2 jalapenos. If you love spicy food, you could replace them with serrano chilies, but the jalapenos give it that kick. Most of the time, the jalapenos are not spicy at all. Once in a great while, one will come out real spicy that once you cut it through the middle, you smell it and you say this jalapeno is gonna be spicy. But these jalapenos that I just cut in half, they don't smell like they're gonna be spicy, which is a good thing, okay? I love spicy food, but not everybody could handle spicy food. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing little thin slices of the jalapeno. The jalapeno, we are going to cube it. So I'm going to slice away. And like I said, this is the part that takes longer. Getting all the ingredients ready for this amazing and delicious pico de gallo, made at home with lots of love. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting the little squares and adding it to the same bowl. And here I have my scallions. I am going to cut the edge, cut a little bit of the bottom, and then I am going to slice them through the center. Slice them, being very careful. Slice all of them just like that, and then I am going to cube them. The scallion is really going to release the amazing flavor into this pico de gallo. Look at this. This is so easy to prepare, but yet it goes so well with your shrimp tacos and with your fish tacos. Of course, you could add it to anything that you want, but this is perfect. This pico de gallo is perfect for your tacos, your seafood tacos. Of course, you can't forget and you can't leave out the coriander, the cilantro. I am going to cut the cilantro and then I'm going to dice it very finely. The cilantro is going to give it such a fresh flavor to this pico de gallo. My mouth is even watering. I could already imagine. I have 2 lemons, of course, organic from my garden, from my lemon tree. You only need 2. These are 2 large lemons. You want to add the lemon, but you don't want to soak it that much. You just want at least half a cup of lemon juice. Here you could see all those amazing colors, rainbow color on this pico de gallo, the jalapeno, the purple cabbage, the carrot, the onion, the scallions, the white cabbage, and of course the cilantro. Look at this. I am ready to add the spices. I have garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. I am going to go ahead and just add it on the top. Sprinkle everything on the top, being very generous. And after I sprinkle the spices, then we are ready to squeeze and get all the lemon juice out of the lemons. And let me tell you, they have a lot of lemon juice in there. I'm going to add the 2 whole lemons, lemon juice. And like I said, approximately like half a cup of lemon juice. Let me tell you, when I make this salad, it really doesn't last. This pico de gallo doesn't last at all. Those flavors, the combination of all those veggies, just perfection made at home. Once this is done, then you are ready to incorporate everything together, mix everything together, coat everything in the lemon juice. Look how beautiful all those rainbow colors look inside this pico de gallo. And of course, it's going to look even better in a taco. If you love tacos like I do, you're going to really love this delicious pico de gallo. I can't wait to enjoy. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media. Leave a comment so I could read it. I love reading your comments. And I am ready. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. I'm still thinking, should it be a shrimp taco or a fish taco? I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing pico de gallo. This pico de gallo is perfect for your shrimp tacos, for your fish tacos, you name it. It's delicious and it's a pico de gallo that you're going to love. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.